She gonna be my favorite. Let's just play. Let's play. Let's just play real quick, okay? Okay. So, yes, I encourage everyone and anyone to do whatever they want to do when they want to do it. If it makes you feel good, that's what I do. Be my favorite. Let's just play. Let's play. Let's just play real quick, okay? Okay. I might wonder why does MeliSandra like to wear wigs? Why does she like to wear wigs? She has hair. Okay, so I'm finding that when I go through things, okay, you also might wonder, why does MeliSandra change her hair so much? Well, okay. I'm finding that when I go through things that I cannot change, I change myself. Because when I look better or feel like I look different, I feel different, and I put my mind in a different perspective. I don't know. I can't really tell you why I do the things I do. I just do them, and I've been like that since as long as I can remember. So, seeing how I am not trying to go bald, I figured that I'll wear wigs. Oh, hey.
So, I don't, first of all, that's not my hairline. That is. So, I don't particularly like how it's so dark. But we'll pull out the little baby hair. But it's different.
Another thing is when it's like this, I'm like feeling weird because my hairline, I have a really big forehead. So I'm used to seeing my big old forehead, but so once I get this off, and I'll be able to put it like half up, half down. This was 10% off too. Girl, I'm gonna have to darken up my eyebrows, obviously. But it's different, right? And once I cut this off, I think I'll be good. I don't know. Comment below what you think about this. Let me take this off. I mean, it's just to have fun, you know? Just to have fun. The things we women do, right? To feel bougie. Angie!
You look so different.
Don't come on camera. Here, hold on. Yeah, Angie wanted me to get this one. Angie loves when my hair is colors. So, that's this one. I don't know when or where. I want to take a picture and show Tanya. I don't know where my phone is though. Anyway, let's try the other one on. The other one I'm gonna have to mess with, but
Can I take the wheel of the on me?
yeah. You gotta take your hair down though and put it in a ponytail in the back. Like a tight ponytail in the back. Look, show them.
This is me. Okay, it'll probably look better. It's like,
Well, this has to be cut off right there anyway.
do you like my new hair?
You gotta work it, girl. Work it, girl. Look in that mirror. No, what are you doing? Don't be messing with it. Look in that mirror. Try this one. Ooh, this got little baby hairs in the back, so you can put it up.
I can see it. I want to see. Wait, she looks like. Look how weird my hair looks right now. Too short.
No, it's gonna go down more.
Mommy,
What?
that does not look like you.
Oh, my hairline gotta go
Like,
up more.
look at here, look at here.
You know I like big hair.
Whoa, it feels real.
It does, doesn't it? This makes my hair. I probably won't wear it like that though. I'll probably wear it like that. I love it. What do you guys think about this one?
And did you get 3 wigs?
Woo, girl. Talk about big hair. Look how long it is though, baby. Look. It's really long. It just has to drag down. Once it drags down, I think it'll be good.
I think the one that Dad said in there that you should have got the long one on the side.
Look at the baby hair. It got pre-plucked baby hair.
With baby hair.
Yeah, look. That's funny, right? That's cute. So once I actually cut these to the shape of my big old head, I think they'll look cute. So yes, I encourage everyone and anyone to do whatever they want to do when they want to do it, if it makes you feel good. That's what I encourage. So if going out and buying a wig to make yourself feel good for the moment does it for you, girl, let it do it for you. Let it do it for you good. Okay? Good, long, and hard. Anyway, I personally love this one. Look at this. Look at that. Would you look at that? Oh, hell yeah. And you can put it up on a pony because it got the little baby hair in the back. But I would have to fix it. See the little baby hair right here? So this is without glue. I definitely got to fix up my eyebrows for all of these wigs because my hair is brown, obviously. You see it. It's brown, but it's more like a light brown. Light medium brown. Like this kind of here. Anyway, that's all she wrote, guys. I love it. I love them. I'm happy. Like I was saying, I had fun showing you guys And so just stay tuned and you'll see me wearing the wigs eventually. So until the next video, I will catch you on the flip side. Now I have to clean up this mess. The joys. Goodbye, guys. I love you mucho. I didn't glue it on my head yet. Here's some little baby hairs I can work with. I tried to bleach the knots, but they didn't bleach. I only had 20 developer. But this is all for fun. So I guess, what the hell is on my eye? All right, Melissa.